Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, motivating employees under adverse conditions. First 14 to 18 questions are the headings of paragraphs. First paragraph's heading is already mentioned. Next key point 2. Its heading is number 7. Establish targets and give feedback. Target establish करना और feedback देना. The literature on goal setting theory suggests that managers should ensure that all employees have specific goals and receive comments on how well they are doing in those goals. Next is key point 3. Its heading is number 3. Ensure targets are realistic. Ensure करना कि targets सही है, realistic है, regardless of whether goals are achievable or well within management's perceptions of the employee's ability. If employees see them as unachievable, they will reduce their efforts. Next is key point 4. Its heading is number 2. Match rewards to individuals. हर एक के साथ rewards को match करना. Managers could use their knowledge of each employee to personalize the rewards over which they have control. Next key point is 5. Its heading is number 4. Link rewards to achievement. Achievement के हिसाब से rewards को link करना. Managers need to make rewards contingent on performance. To reward factors other than performance will only reinforce those other factors. Key rewards such as pay increases and promotions or advancements should be allocated for the attainment of the employee's specific goals. Next is key point 6. Its heading is number 1. Ensure the reward system is fair. ये तय करना कि reward system सही है. The way rewards are distributed should be transparent so that employees perceive that rewards or outcomes are equitable and equal to the inputs given. Next 19 to 24 questions are yes, no and not given. First is, a shrinking organization tends to lose its less skilled employees rather than its more skilled employees. जब organization छोटी होती है तो वो अपने ज़्यादा skilled employees की बजाय कम skilled employees को lose कर देती है. When an organization is shrinking, the best and most mobile workers are prone to leave voluntarily. Unfortunately, they are the ones the organization can least afford to lose, those with the highest skills and experience. मतलब वो अपने less skilled वाले workers को नहीं खोती. The minor employees remain because their job options are limited. Minor employees के पास कम option होती है, इसलिए वो job में बने रहते हैं. तो इसका answer no होगा. Next is not given. Next to that is, high achievers are well suited to teamwork. जो high achievers होते हैं वो teamwork में ज़्यादा suit करते हैं. High achievers will do best when the job provides moderately challenging goals and where there is independence and feedback. जहाँ पे independence होती है, वहाँ high achievers अच्छा करते हैं, group में नहीं, तो इसका answer भी no होगा. Next question is, some employees can feel manipulated when asked to participate in goal setting. जब employees को goal setting में participate करने के लिए कहा जाता है तो वो manipulated feel करते हैं, मतलब कुछ हेरा फेरी. If participation and the culture are incongruous, employees are likely to perceive the participation process as manipulative and be negatively affected by it. Same statement होने की वजह से इसका answer yes होगा. Next is not given. Next to that is, employees' earnings should be disclosed to everyone within the organization. Organization में सभी employees की कमाई सबको बता देनी चाहिए. The way rewards are distributed should be transparent so that employees perceive that rewards or outcomes are equitable and equal to the inputs given. Transparent होनी चाहिए ताकि सभी को पता हो कि rewards बराबर दिया गया है. तो इसका answer yes होगा. Next 25 to 27 questions are to match the statements with group of workers. First is high achievers. Its matching description is B. They have less need of external goals. High achievers को external goals की कम ज़रूरत होती है. For those with high achievement needs, typically a minority in any organization, the existence of external goals is less important because high achievers are already internally motivated. Next question is, clerical workers. Its correct matching description is C. They think that the quality of their work is important. Clerical workers को लगता है कि उनके काम की quality ज़्यादा important है. The clerical workers considered factors such as quality of work performed and job knowledge near the top of their list. Next question is, production workers. Its matching description is A. They judge promotion to be important. Production workers के लिए promotion important है. Production workers rated advancement very highly. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.